about topics important to the people of the peninsula. The 1220 hotline number is 682-2695. That's 682-2695. Now, with today's program, here is Laura Sabia and your host, Jim Marino.
Well, good morning, everyone. Laura, looks like a lot of fun today as we, make predictions or take a look at the stars? What is it?
Yes, this morning we have a very interesting program. At least I think it's very interesting. We've got in the studio with us Prynce Nesbit. Now, he's not a prince, you know. It's Prynce. I've known Prynce Nesbit for some 28 or 29 years that I've lived in St. Catharines. He's, most of us know him as an artist who paints in oils and charcoals. We also know him as a master musician. I didn't know him for 28 years as an astrologer, but he's an expert. I know him as an expert on the Old Welland Canal. You can ask him anything of the history of it, and he knows it backwards and forward. He's a bit of an impudent individual. He's very provocative. He's fascinating. He's arrogant. He's insulting, and he's most lovable. The most lovable I like the best. He's terribly insulting. If anyone saw him on the Pamela Mason show a few weeks back, he was really very rude to her. I've heard people say that